Morning, YouTube. And in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. There's the LA River. I guess now I get to see how many miles a reservoir has. Gas is $3.77 in LA. The wind is like hitting my face and it feels so free. I feel like spring has sprung and it's fall. I feel like taking back fall. So apparently I have to make up some more red light challenges because I am hitting a ton of them. I don't think I could fit through there. You get a discount. You get a discount. You get a discount. Still going strong on our little reservoir. Oh man, this truck sucks right now. Oh, it smells really bad. It smells like it needs to be smogged 4 times. Gotta hold my breath. Thanks, brush clearing and free wood chips. I got my free wood chips. And they were delightful. You can't ride on the line, only I can do that. Idiot, man. Her license plate says Grandma score, girls 9, boys 5. What does that mean? The girls are winning? No. Oh, that's how many grandbabies she has. Dang. That's a lot of grandbabies. When you're going on the freeway, it's just the worst thing. It pushes your whole body forward and you're just like ka-kunk into the gas tank. Yikes. Oh, why are you brake checking me? Dude. Why are you gonna brake check a motorcycle? You can do whatever you want. I mean, gender neutral, but I'm just saying, it's gonna hurt. Usually, oh, it says no turn on red, guys. Now, I know a lot of people are watching from other parts of the world. Today is a gorgeous day to be riding. Gorgeous day. It's the green light. I just stopped there. Riding season could be over for you. And you rely on other motovloggers to really get you through the whole day and off season. It's about 78 degrees right now. Have you guys ever seen that Canoga Park video? It's literally a YouTube name, like a YouTube video, music video about this city called Canoga Park. That other part because I got really distracted by that little diddly-doo.
1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2.